Achoo! Whoa! You have absolutely no control over it. It takes over your entire body for one violent, explosive second, and then it is gone. But what is actually happening inside you during a sneeze, and why does it feel so impossible to stop once it starts? A sneeze begins in the nose. When something irritates the lining of your nasal passage, like dust, pollen, pepper, or a cold virus, nerve endings fire an urgent message to a specific part of your brainstem called the sneeze center. That center immediately begins coordinating one of the most complex physical responses your body produces. Check this out. Here's what happens in the next 2 seconds. Your eyes close automatically. You cannot stop them. Your tongue presses to the roof of your mouth. Your chest muscles contract powerfully. Your diaphragm pushes upward with enormous force. And then, in one explosive burst, air, moisture, and whatever was irritating your nose blasts outward at up to 100 miles per hour. A sneeze expels air faster than a Category 2 hurricane wind. Cantina.